Hi guys, today I'll be doing this look for you guys. This will be prom inspired since prom is coming up. This is a really nice medium to full coverage foundation. Really easy look to create. If you want to recreate this look, just keep on watching.
I just wanna dance, feel good. Yeah. Not ever letting you know. Rufus boy, let me love boy. What you want? Rufus boy, let me love. Not ever letting you. Only you, can't you see? I made a mistake.
My eyebrows are filled in, so let's get started into this tutorial. This helps a lot, especially when you have long hair, to keep your hair out of your face. Okay, so now we're done with moisturizer. I go ahead and apply this facial oil. So I just drop that on my forehead, my cheek, to give that extra hydration into your skin. For dry skin, and hydrating is really important. It doesn't feel greasy. It takes about a minute or less to actually settle down to your skin. If you're oily, so you don't do this. On the Tarte foundation, and they discontinued this foundation. Repackaged this foundation as the Shape Tape foundation, and repackaged that as the same formula, but I've seen some reviews that they were mixed differently. I'm not sure exactly if that's true. I will be reviewing this foundation. Also made an order on the Tarte website. You can only get it from the site. To do a review, compare them both side by side. The foundation from the new Tarte Shape Tape. It could have been a theory, been true, that that foundation has been repackaged. Concealer by Maybelline. I've probably heard a lot about this. I don't know how much to put on this. I'm just applying that under my eyes, my nose, a little bit on my forehead, and my chin, and my cupid's bow. This is a travel symbol that you would want to do when you apply your concealer. I love applying my concealer like this. It really helps highlight your face. Love doing this. When I was younger, I tried doing this. This did not work out. You could tell I looked horrible. You could tell where I applied it. I wasn't using the correct method to apply it either. So that did not help at all. In with the It Cosmetics by Pores Press Powder. I got this in my Ipsy bag last year. Really small sample size. I dab it in once. Just to set my face so it doesn't look as greasy. My face looks like I've been running outside for an hour and all of that grease is just on my face. So we are not going for that look. So I'm just setting my forehead where I apply my concealer. I just dab it into my forehead lightly. It feels so much better setting my powder or setting my face. Gentle with that. So I think I'm going to add a little bit more concealer. Going back in, dabbing it in. Where's that bronzer? I'm deciding between the Urban Decay Beached Bronzer or the Hoola Benefit Bronzer. I'm deciding between these two bronzers. They both give such a nice finish. I'm going to go in with my Urban Decay bronzer. This is one of my bronzers, like my first high-end ever bronzer from Sephora. You just want to lightly dust that on. Don't pack your brush too much. I just dip this in once or twice. Tap off the excess. Make sure that's really blended into the skin. Always tap off the excess or it will be way too harsh on your face. Oh my god, this is so pretty. Look how pretty this is. It's a soft Glam mustard yellow color and it has the same velvety feel with this. And when you open this up, isn't that gorgeous? This is definitely an everyday palette. For those who love neutrals or some pop of color, it's gorgeous. Deciding what kind of look that I would want to go for. Just so pretty. Look at that packaging. My eyes first using tempera all over my lid. A lot of fallout. I'm gonna go in with orange soda into the crease.
So baby, pull me closer in the backseat of your Rover that I know you can't afford. Bite that tattoo on your shoulder. Pull the sheets right off the corner of the...
I'm gonna go in with Dusty Rose. So much fallout. So gorgeous palette. It blends in so nicely. It blends like butter. This color is really pigmented. Now I could see this color actually blending into my crease. This really dark brown right here. This color right here, really dark brown shade. So just grab any dark brown shade that you have. It's like a really dark chocolate. That's where you would want to apply it to deepen that outer corner. That blended out quite nicely. I'm going in with my NYX concealer, dotting that onto my eyelid. Apply a little bit of concealer. That really helps. So doing that will help your eyeshadow not look muddy. Because I want to go into rose pink. Is this really light baby shimmery pink. So now we look like this. Oh, that's such a gorgeous shade. It's time to line our eyes. Before you actually apply your eyelashes, make sure you wait to 30 seconds or until the glue gets a little bit tacky. Okay, it's tacky enough. It doesn't feel too wet and it doesn't feel too dry. Lashes, they pull in the whole entire look together. I don't know why I liked it at that time. I thought this look looked cute with no lashes. So I discovered lashes. Just look. Before. After. Grab your favorite mascara. I'll be using the Roller Lash by Benefit. To layer my mascara with the Tarte Light Splash camera, and this one is the waterproof. It's a lot bigger than the other one. It just helps secure it. I'm going back in with this soft Glam palette, grabbing the IB Beauty brush that I got in my Ipsy bag. I'm just dotting this in my inner corner to brighten up my eyes. Oh, that is pretty. Just look at that. My eyes just completely brightened up after I applied the glistening shadow. It's like a really nice gold shade. It's the shade right here. This is one of my favorite highlighters that I've been using lately. Is the Tarte Skin Twinkle Volume 2 highlighter. Tap off the excess. This palette literally smells like vanilla. It smells delicious. Just going back in and just applying that on my cheekbone. Do you see why I love this highlighter so much? Like, bam, it's in your face. You're ready to go. This just gives it such a gorgeous glow. Of course, we can't forget about the bridge of the nose, Cupid's bow, and the chin. That's optional, but that's the places that I like to apply. My lips are really dry. This Sugar Fresh lip treatment. For lips, I'll be using, we don't want our lips to move. When we eat, we want our lipstick to stay. So I'll be using the Tarte lip paint in the shade Delish. This is a really nice matte color. Just let my lips dry. This is a really beautiful color. If you don't like this color, you could also switch it up for like a brighter fire truck red or any color that you like, or a soft pink to go with this look. It's really up to you what you want to do with it. But this color really ties in with this tutorial. Don't forget to set your face. Setting your face is so important, especially if you're going to be wearing this makeup for the whole entire day or the whole entire night and you don't want your makeup to budge. The Urban Decay All Nighter.
Baby, break a sweat, break a sweat. Baby, break a sweat. Don't get tired yet, tired yet. Don't get
Could be us.